My name is Ricco Friedrich. I'm from Denker Capital. I'm the co-portfolio manager together with Claude van Cuyck on the Sim Value Fund.
My name is Claude van Cuyck from Denker Capital, and I'm the co-portfolio manager of the Sim Value Fund together with Ricco Friedrich.
The objective of the Sim Value Fund is to provide our clients with returns that over the long term are in excess of the market by investing in financially sound companies while taking into account and managing the downside risk.
Risk management is an area that often significantly differentiates portfolio managers. And there are a number of aspects that are important from our perspective. And the first is this element of diversification.
What is important for us is that we don't construct a portfolio that will only do well in one macroeconomic outcome. And so one of the ways in which we do that is ensure that we have adequate diversification, not only between local and global, but across the various industries that we can invest in.
The other part of risk management is that of sizing your positions within the portfolio. We have a self-imposed limit of a maximum of 10% that we would allocate to any one particular stock.
A very important aspect which contributes to the success of the performance of investments over time is the management team that we partner with. And we want to look for an equal amount of talent as well as integrity in the management teams that we invest alongside with.
So what differentiates the Sim Value Fund from its peers? There are three key aspects, and the first is our exposure to mid and small caps, which is in excess of 20% of the portfolio.
Ultimately, the return that one is going to get out of investment is largely determined by the price that you pay. And so we want to ensure that we have an adequate margin of safety when investing in these companies.
We are able to leverage off the significant capability of the Denker Global Equity team, both on the financials and the industrial side. And the final issue is that of the non-benchmark cognizant part of our investment style. This means that we don't have to allocate capital on the basis of the size of a particular position within the index. It allows us greater freedom in terms of capital allocation, greater breadth of opportunities within the market, and this certainly is very different to some of our larger peers that are more benchmark cognizant.